Hey, have you ever, looked down at your hands and then looked at your dog's paws and just thought, why are they so different from mine? Well, today we're going to go on a super cool adventure to figure out exactly why you look the way you do. You ready? Let's go. I mean, it seems like a simple question, doesn't it? But it's actually a really big deal. Think about it. Your hands can build giant Lego towers, draw awesome pictures, and give the best high fives. A dog's paws, they're super good for digging and running really fast, but not so great for holding a crayon, right? So, what's the big secret? Why do we have all these different parts? Let's find out. Okay, so to get started, our very first stop is the mirror. Yep, we're going to take a really close look at that amazing person staring right back at you. All right, let's pretend you're standing in front of a mirror right now. What do you see? Well, you see your face, of course, but let's look at the rest of your incredible body. What other parts do you notice that help you do all kinds of things all day long? That's right, you've got two arms, and at the end of those arms are two super amazing hands. Go on, give them a wave. They're some of the most important tools you have. And check this out. On each hand, you have 5 incredible fingers. Let's count them real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yep. And these little guys are what make your hands so awesome at grabbing stuff, holding on tight, and making cool things. Okay, now look down a little bit. You've also got 2 strong legs and 2 feet to stand on. And these are what help you do all the fun stuff, like running super fast, jumping really high, skipping, and just walking from one place to another. So just stop and think for a second. What are all the cool things you can do with your hands and those 5 fingers? I mean, you can build with blocks, you can draw a picture, you can even play video games. They're pretty amazing, aren't they? All right, so we've talked all about you. Now let's bring in a furry friend that so many of us know and love, a dog. Let's see just how different you two really are. And here they are, side by side. You, the awesome human, and your furry pal, the dog. Whoa. Right away, you can see some really big differences, can't you? What's the very first thing that pops out to you? Okay, let's break it down. You stand up on 2 legs, right? But a dog uses 4 legs to run all over the place. And you have those super useful hands we just talked about, but a dog has paws instead. Oh, and you're covered in skin while a dog is covered in all that fluffy fur. We are just built so differently. And you know what? It's not just about dogs. Nope. Pretty much all animals have special body parts that are almost like their own built-in tools. Or maybe even superpowers. Just take a look at this koala here. See those claws? Some animals, like this little guy, have super sharp claws. And they're not for scratching up the couch, no way. They're the perfect tools for climbing way, way up high into the trees. And whoa, what about this anteater? Check out that super long snout. That's not just a long nose, you know? It's a very special tool that helps it reach way deep inside an anthill to slurp up its favorite snack. So cool. So, we've got claws for climbing, long snouts for eating, and hands for building. So why? Why do all living things have all these different parts? Well, it turns out there's one really, really big reason. And that one big reason is this word right here, survive. And what does survive mean? It's pretty simple, actually. It just means to stay alive, stay safe, and grow up nice and strong. Yep. Every single one of these special parts, your hands, a dog's fur, a koala's claws, they all have one main job, to help that living thing survive. Whether it's about finding food and water, staying safe, moving around, building a cozy shelter, or just staying warm, every single body part is there for a reason. It's kind of like a whole team of amazing tools all working together. And all of this brings us right back to you. Your body parts are your very own special set of tools. They're what help you survive and do all sorts of amazing things every single day. Okay, I've got one last fun thing for you to think about. Look down at your amazing hands one more time. Go on, wiggle those fingers. Now, what is the absolute coolest thing you can do with your hands and fingers that a dog just can't do with its paws? Is it building something, drawing, or maybe something totally different? It's pretty incredible when you think about it, isn't it?